at Anywhere Twitter account as well. We news about Anywhere. We've got Join the Flock Twitter account to do with how great it is to work at Twitter. Or if you're interested, and we're really looking for particular kinds of slightly unhinged JavaScript people to work on this weird stuff, then yeah, please come to twitter.com/jobs, and we definitely got a really large amount of interesting stuff to get done, and we definitely appreciate some help. Okay, if there's no more questions, then we're done. A little bit before time. Thank you very much.
Hey everybody. So, I have these gangster-ass unicorn tattoos on my forearms. B, next in this room, we have Paul Irish doing 10 things I learned from the jQuery source, which is a fun presentation. He does some sweet live coding in it, and it looks delightful. And then in track B is Dojo for Programmers with Eugene Lazutkin. And in track C, Jeff Van Gogh is doing reactive JS stuff, which is awesome too. If you don't like action, but rather the action. And then after that is lunch. So something you'll want to know about lunch is we're queuing up in the hallway right here in between the 3 tracks, and then you're going to get your food and then head into the lobby. So just so you know, lunch is at 12:40 essentially, and that's where you have to go for it. So, bye.
Explained to me a bit ago. You guys played a joke on me a little while ago.
Well, I'm not Brian LeRoux.
You're not Brian LeRoux.
No.
So you're coming clean, is it? In other words.
Well, I don't know.
He's not telling you who he is.
You're just a Brian LeRoux impersonator, right?
Right. I'm not the real Brian LeRoux.
Are you the one who took his name tag? Though?
I am the one who took his name tag.
I predicted it was you or Pete Higgins.
It was clearly me. I think the main thing is I would hate to imply that Naitobi don't know about mobile, because they clearly do know lots about mobile.
And who are actually in real life? Who are you actually?
Who am I in real life?
Yeah.
That's who he is.
Yeah. Drum roll.
Drum roll, please.
My name is Tom Hughes-Croucher, and I work for Yahoo.
Yahoo.
Yes.
That must be exciting.
Yes, it's very exciting.
Are you California based?
I am California based.
You like being in California?
I love being in California. It's very
better
nice.
than you think it's better than Texas?
I don't know. I like to think that Portland, Austin, and San Francisco are all brethren cities.
Yeah.
Except, you guys have it too hot in the summer,
yeah.
and those guys have it too rainy in Portland, all year. And San Francisco's kind of the mix of the two weathers.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So what do you do actually?
So I'm a technology evangelist. So I basically go around and I explore kind of new technologies at the conferences, do some education.
What do you evangelize? What are your hot points right now?
Right now, we're doing a bunch of server-side JavaScript stuff, which is amazing. So I'm really excited about the server-side JavaScript. I think it's incredible, and I think that the stuff that we can do with it is going to be really great. And one of the things that we found is that the way that we architected YUI3 has been really beneficial to us putting it on the server and starting to do stuff with that on the server. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then YQL is another one of our really excellent things.
What was that?
Yahoo query language.
YQL.
YQL. And it's basically, it maps web services or page scraping to SQL.
Is it a replacement for MySQL or something?
No, not at all. I mean, it's not. Yeah. You wouldn't replace it, but if you want to call web services, it's cool to be able to select star from search where query equals txjs to get a web search result. So if you want to get something off Twitter, select star from twitter.user where username equals whatever username. you know, and kind of having that intuitive kind of SQL way to get web services, I think is really cool. Because web services traditionally are a pain in the ass.
Let's see that name tag. Let's see that name tag.
The real name tag.
You got the real name tag now.
I switched.
All right. Do you know this guy over here?
Yeah, I know.
We know each other pretty well.
All right.
A bunch of conferences. Well, we do performance stuff, right?
Yeah.
We like performance stuff.
Yeah.
All right.
We're both big into
All right. And how do people find you on Twitter and Facebook?
I don't know about Facebook. I'm sure I know I'm on Facebook, but whatever. If you put my name into a search engine, I guarantee I'm like all of the results. But on Twitter, it's SH1MMER Shimmer.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy your stay in Austin. How long are you going to be around for?
Until tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
I love Austin, but you know.
I guess we'll see you tonight at the Texas Co-working.
Exactly right.
A Google party, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll be there.
We'll see you there.
Yeah. That's good.
These are two guys that are intense, man. They're intensely concentrating right now. They're getting the maximum out of this event.
We're writing code. That's right.
Writing code. See, this proves it. See, they actually have code up on the screen. I just did a screen capture of that. I'm going to publish it
It's open source.
and profit on it. All right. Thank you.
Build anything significant in JavaScript. Progressive enhancements, they kind of few. On the other hand, browsers didn't support web applications very good. And I'm talking about performance problems, internet was slow, and other stuff. So progressive enhancements were the key. Features of progressive enhancement that project code base usually is small. It consists of like small, like spaghetti code. General complexity, very low. No need to structure code at all, because, well, why bother? There are several websites which show how to write hello world in different languages. For example, if you're a Java programmer, you will create a class, you will define static class method in it, and it's supposed to be called main, and all this kind of stuff. Basically, it shows that some techniques are overkill. So it's not like, you have to use all possible tools, you have to use all possible things, when you write a program. Whatever, makes it right, whatever lower the overall complexity is the best tool.
I'm Jeffrey Van Gogh, and I work for Microsoft. No, I don't work for the Internet Explorer team, so I cannot give you any reasons why I say the ICX sucks, but I hope you don't hold that against me. So I'm here to talk about reactive extensions, and I'll give you an introduction to what it does, and I'll also show you some samples with it. So what I'm going to cover is, why do you care about RX? What are the basics? We'll do some hacking, actually not live hacking probably because my other laptop didn't work with the projector. And then we'll do some Q&A. I'm not going to talk about the mathematical background for RX. RX is a big mathematical background in functional programming and monads. I'm not going to talk about that. There's also an RX for .NET. As this is a JavaScript conference, I'll only talk about the JavaScript version. And there's quite a bit of RX API, so I won't be able to cover every API that's part of RX. But this should give you a good introduction. So why do we care about RX? Well, in the web, a lot of stuff is asynchronous, and even more so than in desktop.